This is my cinnamon tree after 5 years. It's grown so much that some branches are now covering the roof. So today I'm going to trim it back a little. But before cutting the branches, I'm actually going to use the tree as my ladder to climb up and clean the leaves stuck along the roof strip edge. By the way, disclaimer, do not climb the roof without any gear, without any rope, because when you fall down, you probably will kill yourself. For me, because I climb things and do things when I was child, although when I'm 40s now, I still do things crazy like this. So anyway, if those leaves block the water drainage, it could cause problems during the rainy season. Before climbing, let's test the branch first to make sure it's strong enough to hold my weight. Safety first. Once on the roof, I'm using a small cinnamon branch like a stick to remove the leaf trap in the roof valley. Alright, roof is clean. Now it's time to trim the tree.
Whoosh, a lot of ant.
While cutting the branches, I accidentally disturbed a nest of red tower ants. Luckily, their bite isn't too painful, just a bit irritating. Interestingly, in my culture, we even eat these ants and their eggs in soup. The eggs are actually packed with protein.
Oh, look at my hand. Oh no, it's hurt.
And the branches I cut today won't go to waste. I'm planning to peel the bark and use it as a cinnamon roll spice for the kitchen.
Try to taste it, what it looks like. Hopefully not poisonous. Not bad. It tastes like slippery in my tongue. Not really like dry cinnamon.
The takeaway today, keep those trees trimmed back. Not only does it keep your gutter flowing and your roof healthy, but it also stops snakes or mice from using the branches as a bridge into your house. Thanks for watching.